Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem word ladder. Okay. So here is the statement. Given two words, begin word, end word, and a dictionary word list. Okay. Return the length of the shortest transformation sequence from begin word to end word such that only one letter can be changed at a time. Is transformed word must exist in a word list. Okay. Return 0 if there is no transformation sequence. So we have to convert the begin word into end word. Okay. Such that the by making transformations, and transformations should be like that we are allowed to convert, or we are allowed to change only one letter from the begin word, and each of the transformed word should exist in the word list, and we have to make this transformation as small as possible. So here we can see that we are having begin word as hit and end word as cog, and then we have made hit to hot by changing I to O. Okay, and we can clearly see that hot exists in the word list. Similarly, we have converted hot to dot, which also exists in the word list. Then dog, then cock. Okay, and here is a 5 length transformation: hit, hot, dot, dog, and cock. Okay, in the example 2, we are having end word is cock and begin word as hit. We are not having end word in the word list. Okay, so we have returned output is 0, as it is not possible to change our begin word to end word. So now let's move to the approach. Here we are having a begin word which is hit, end word cog, word list this, and here we are having an integer layer which is initialized to value 0, integer L size which is also initialized to value 0. Here we are having a queue, okay, to implement our breadth first search. Okay, now for the sake of simplicity I am naming it as 1, and this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. Okay, now we will move our first word in the queue. Okay, now our layer size level number we are at the first layer. Okay, and our layer size is 1. Now we will, now what we will do, we will remove this word from the queue. Our L size will become 0 obviously. Okay, now we will push the words that we can make from hit. So hot is the only word that we can make from the word hit, so we will push this too. Okay, in the queue, and we will remove it from the word list. Now remember this was our layer 1. Okay, this was our layer 1, and this is our layer 2. Okay, now we have to increment our layer. Now we are at the layer 2, and our L size has become 1 again. So now we will remove 2, and we will push all the words in the queue that we can make from the word this hot. Now we can make the word number 3, that is dot, and word number 5, that is lot. Okay, so we will move 3 into the queue. Okay, and word 5 into the queue. Now this will be removed from the word list. Now so we are at the level 3 now. So we have incremented our layer, and our layer size is 3. So we will increment our layer size, 2. Okay, now same we will do for third node, the third word also. dot. So the word that we can make from dot is dog. Okay, so which is number 4. So we will remove this from the our layer, and we will as this will be removed, our L size will decrease to 1, and the word that we can form from this word 3, that is our dog. Okay, which is word number 4, will be pushed into the queue. Now we will move at the word 5, which was lot, lot. Okay, so the word we can make from this is word number 6, log. So we will uh, push it into the queue, and this 5 is removed from the queue. Okay, and now we also remove this word log from the our word list. This word was also removed earlier. Okay, dog. Now we are at the our layer 3 is fully processed. Okay, and we can see that our layer size now has become 2, and we are at the level 4 now. Okay, so we are at the level number 4. So now we will look for the fourth word, uh, and we will pop it from the queue, and we'll push all the words that can be made from the word number 4. That is word number 4 is dog. So we can make cock from the word number 4 by changing only D to C, which is a permissible operation. Okay, we can do it. Okay. Now we have removed 4 from here. Our L size has reduced to 1. Now we are going to push 7 into the queue. Yes, as we have reached our target node, which is our end word. Okay, so then we will return our layer plus 1. Our layer plus 1 will be our answer. Okay, why layer plus 1? Because we were at the level 1 here, level 2 here, level 3 here, level 4 here, and then we reach at the level 5 here. So this is a minimum number of layer that we have to process to reach there, to reach at the end word. Okay, so here we are done with the approach. Now let's look at the code part. Okay, so here is a C++ implementation of my code. Here I have taken an unordered set. Why unordered set? To store the value that we are to store the words that we are given in the word list, and you can also take any other data structure. I have taken this to be safe from any duplicate values. Okay, so here I am having the bool is present equals to false. This will check if my AND word is present in my dictionary or not. If it is not present, then I have to return 0, as there is no possible transformation to reach at the AND word from the begin word. Okay, now here I am inserting all the words from dictionary to my set. For auto word in the word list, if my AND word is AND word dot compare word is equals to 0, which means if my AND word is equals to my word, then I will tell okay is present equals to true. My word is present in the list. Now my set dot insert word. Okay, I have pushed my word into my set. If is present equals to false, if after processing this loop my is present is false, that is my AND word is not present in the dictionary, I will return 0. Okay, now if my AND word is present, we will apply BFS. So here we are having a queue of string, and we have named it as queue. We will push the begin word. Okay, so the same we were doing here. We have pushed the 1 here, and we have pushed all the words that can be made from this word 1. Okay, now recursively or iteratively applying for the same for each word. So here also we have pushed our begin word, and we have set our level is equals to 0, and it will iterate, it will increment um, as we processes the each level. Okay, now here while our queue dot becomes empty, we have incremented our level here. Okay, our level has become 1. Okay, initially. Okay, after becoming after it was 0, it has become 1. And L size is a q dot size, the number of elements present at a particular level. Okay, so while L size minus minus string cur is equals to q dot front, the word present at the front of the queue, we will pop that element q dot pop. And for int I is equals to 0, I less than cur I plus plus for each index. So if for assume that our word was 3 length, A, B and C. Okay, so this I will run from this I will iterate from this word. Okay, and it will it will iteratively change this. Okay, from this position from A to Z. Okay, and it will look for the word in the word list. If it is present in the word list, yes, we are having our one transformation here. Okay, so here we are having also one thing, that if this word is A only, we are having the same word again. So we will skip that condition, and we will also check same for this word B. We will change it from A to Z and check it in the word list, and same we will do for C also. Okay, now we are iterating through the length of our word, and string temp is equals to cur. Okay, for cat C is equals to A to Z, and C plus plus temp I is equals to C. Okay, the word which was present at that position. For example, if I am talking about ABC, then C is our A word. Okay, this is C is let me explain it more clear to you. If I am having A, B and C, then I am talking about this here. Okay, our temp I is this only. So we will iterate from A to Z and put that from A to Z. We will put values in this position. Okay, and check if our cur dot compare temp is equals to 0. If our cur is equals to temp. Okay, this means the same. Okay, if you can write in the both ways, cur dot compare temp or cur is equals to temp. So if it is equals to 0, we continue. We are at the same word. Skip the same word. If temp dot compare end word equals to 0, we have find our end word. So we will return our level plus 1. Okay. Now if my set dot find temp not equals to my set dot end, that is, we are having that transformed word in our set. For example, we are having FBC. Okay, in our set. Then q dot push temp. We will push our transformed word into the queue, and we will erase that element from our set. Okay, and now it will start changing the second word, then it will start changing the third word until the length of the curve, and it will do it word by word. Okay, from the level, and then it will finally return C. Now checking if this code works fine. Run the code. Pending judging finish. Okay, now submit it. Judging and accepted. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.